Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to remove a member from a WhatsApp group. Whether you're managing a group for friends, family, or work, this guide will help you handle it smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to remove a member. If you have multiple groups, scroll through your chats to find the one you're looking for. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group's information page. Here, you'll see details about the group, including its description and a list of all current members. Scroll down until you reach the members list. Locate the person you want to remove from the group. If it's a large group and scrolling seems tedious, use the search function to find their name quickly. Once you've found their name, tap and hold it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Remove. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure about removing this member. Tap Confirm to finalize your decision. And that's it. The selected member will be removed from the group immediately. Keep in mind that only admins have permission to remove members from a WhatsApp group. Managing your WhatsApp groups effectively is essential for maintaining order and ensuring everyone feels comfortable. Now that you know how to remove members, you can keep your groups running smoothly and focused on their purpose. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.